Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, write the next term in the series. And we have to find D, G, E, H, F, I, G, next term. Here we can check the alternate terms D, E, F, then G. After D, E is there. Then after E, F is there. After F, G is there. Okay. Now check G, H, I. Here, after G, H, then I, so J will be there, which is the next term. Hence, D, G, E, H, F, I, G, and the next term will be G.